Hello, good morning. It's September 2nd, 2019, and when I woke up this morning and I saw my fruit tree, this is a peach, and I guess it's like humongous fruits that this tree can handle, and the branch got broken and it's thousands of fruits was damaged. So wish this one didn't happen like this. Anyway, it's destroyed. I don't know I know it's not windy. Well, it wasn't windy today. Yesterday is the June gloom, and
I'm wondering if an animal climbed on there
not I don't think so.
to eat the fruit.
No, it's just like it wasn't that strong enough to handle all those thousands of fruits that destroyed.
It's a lot of fruit, huh? Man, that was a lot of peaches.
Yeah.
What are we gonna do? Give it to the chickens?
If they want it, it's already
They'll eat 'em.
close to be ripe. It wasn't ready enough to eat. But it's very juicy type of a fruit, and different from that you can buy from the market, and this is very organic.
Where'd you get this one?
Look at this. It's abundant of
Where did you plant this, or where did you find this tree to plant? You just planted this, or it just
I planted this tree. That was 3 years ago.
3 years?
This
Man,
is my.
thing's
this
huge.
Is it was like a small fruit tree, and I don't know. I've been pruning it, cutting it, but it's had so much of fruit, and I hope if this one don't break the branch, and because it's gonna be the same thing with this one. Look at this. And it's really look. Hey, there's so much juice.
Good.
It's already sweet, but wasn't sweet enough to be, like it's like ready to eat, and the chicken is probably enjoying it.
Mm-hmm.
It's hard to carry. Look. Look. That's so much of a fruit. Now it's no good. This is no good to eat anymore. We're here in Valley View Casino and Hotel VIP. I'm going to pick up my free gift. just got here in Verona Casino and Hotel, and that's a hotel, and we're going to a buffet. My food, salad,
What else you got?
and
Shrimp and fish.
oh, this is tilapia, the fried tilapia. Bye-bye.